President of the Plastic Association, Mr. Vijay Kumar, Mr. Thakkar, Mr. Sampath Raman, Sukumar, Mr. Kedia, Mr. Rajamane, so many other distinguished guests on the dais, and equally distinguished guests off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, members of the print and electronic media. First of all, I should apologize for coming so late. I think I was a little poor in time management. I didn't realize the place was so far from the Vikas Sauda. And today, there was really a very bad traffic. I was stuck at Chalukya Hotel itself for more than 15-20 minutes. The vehicle was just not moving. And I know how restless people would be if they are waiting for some VIPs to come. And we are not VIPs, we are part of your whole, whatever exhibition you are launching. I very much wanted to be here, and I'm sorry. They say, hungry man is an angry man. So I hope you're not very angry for starting the whole thing it was really very late. 45 minutes was too much of a wait. So I really wouldn't like to talk too much because generally the last speaker is always, it's very difficult because most of the points or whatever has been covered. Now, importantly, all of you are part of the industry here. So you know much more than we know. You have been in business, you have been in various trade and other vendors and various organizations. So you know the importance of the plastic industry. And in fact, this is one sector, I think it touches every walk of our life. From the time we get up in the morning, from say wearing a slipper or brushing or taking a mug or using a bucket or eating and getting into an automobile and doing some agriculture, walking in your garden, your water pipeline, everything. I think people have mentioned defense, various sectors, various walks of our life. This important plastic sector touches our human life, and is more so, I think, presently with so many youngsters getting jobs at a very young age. There's a lot of demand for the consumer and other items, and there's a lot of money also now compared to our younger days. So this launch function, I think, is very apt. And I also feel privileged that we are going to be associated for this whole event for the first time in Karnataka. Maybe it is my good luck that it was always held in Chennai and Hyderabad. And when I've been posted here as additional chief secretary, they have decided to have it in Bangalore. And I would like to give my wholehearted support to this whole exhibition. And I assure you that the department would be with you from the beginning, from planning till the successful conduct of this exhibition. And probably our association will not end with just conducting the exhibition, but I would like also to work very closely with you to set up more and more plastic industries in Karnataka. I was just happened to see a proposal of yours. You wanted to set up one plastic cluster somewhere in Narsapur, but then you never came forward. It was a very old and very recently I allotted that land to some other unit because we couldn't wait. But I definitely would request you that we should have this cluster, not only one cluster, but we should have several clusters in Karnataka. If you see our new industrial policy, I don't want to bore you, I just want to say a few lines on the policy. This time our policy aims at moving beyond Bangalore. That has been our slogan, to move beyond Bangalore, to decongest Bangalore, to move industries to the rest of the state, to the last corner or the last mile of Karnataka state. So this has been our motto now in the new policy. So the incentives are also so given that the more further you move away from Bangalore, you will get more incentives and concessions. And that being the case, I request you to think of having clusters in different parts of Karnataka. Land is not an issue. We have lands with us, and that could be one thing. Second thing is, Yeah, I think we have been a very lucky state. We have the Chennai-Bangalore Economic Corridor. And the industry are very, very active in this Hubli, Dharwad and Bombay. So I think took advantage of the kind of process where state have worked together. In addition to that, we had also the IIMs, the National Investment Management. We have one again Tukur and one in Gurgaon, and they have not taken yet. These all be clear. So we are lucky because others, these kind of projects have not been. There would be a lot of support from government in terms of infrastructure and other support. And we, all of us, is not only the department but all nations. The FCC, the Plastic Association, and the SI, and FIC, so many associations. So all of us should come together to Karnataka, very, very industry, going to be really, but it should be a very attractive for restoration and investment. Really, we had gone to Delhi, the Prime Minister called me, all the chief secretaries and all the industrial secretaries and various trade bodies to talk about Make in India. And as you know, you have also been reading and seeing so much about Make in India. So I think that this Plastic Association should be the first one to come forward and, prove to the state or the country about Make in India, and the manufacturing cluster which you are planning, you should really take it up, and this should be the first of the cluster under the Make in India scheme. Similarly, they also been talking about Swachh Bharat also. So the plastic industry should also come forward. You have been talking of the hazardous waste. So that also we should do something in that regard. Come up with some very good projects, and Karnataka should be also model in all these, both setting up a cluster and also doing something about the hazardous waste. I feel that if the industry and the department move together, we'll be able to really do wonders. I just wanted to mention, I feel very happy to know, just wanted to show that how silently Karnataka is growing. Some of the states are making a lot of noise, and I think we are not making noise of what actually we are doing. When we went there, the making ease of doing business, when there was a session on ease of doing business, they were making presentations of how Punjab and Chhattisgarh and other states. Now also Telangana has come up with their policy, Andhra is coming up with their new policy. So the ease of business was being demonstrated there. And Punjab actually so far, after so much of presentation and what all simplifications they did, the total investment which had come into Punjab was just about 10,000 crores. And I thought this 10,000 crores week one of handout coming. And that wouldn't end up there was a partial but we have to replace our exit what I do. So just collecting last year we have crossed almost 43,000 crores of investment. And this year we can cross about 3,000 crores of investment if all is well another month. So we are really growing, investment is coming. Also there are a lot of challenges. We need to streamline our processes, reduce the delays, the red tape, many other on this year of business, and I can assure you that the next 2 months we will also competing with others in being a very fast clearance and could want to use forum so to all the dignitaries on this of that to think of Karnataka as one of the good choices of investment. And with this, I am happy to kick-start this whole process of the last launching this website, and it's a really. I might give these favors, and I talk too much because this I thought I share with you. The Indian plastic industry, 2.5 million, and now it is 0.5 million. So it's how the employment is going. And there one of the plastics was 5,000 crore in 2005, and now it is 1,33,000 crore. Similar export of plastic products is in $100 million, and now it is $10,115. So many girls that we have the potential and should capitalize on this potential. We not be far behind. And I think it's that Karnataka has now decided to take part in this exhibition. And this to all the organizers is that we should make the best exhibition. When you stay in the fight, so pick up for the loss of not doing exhibitions earlier. We should make it one of the best, the most memorable, and people should always remember this. And then I think every alternate year we should do this. Thank you very much. And I'm really sorry for coming late.